Today I'm going to be tasting Stewart's Orange and Cream. Stewart's Orange and Cream Soda is a nostalgic flavor from the Stewart's line, which began in 1924 in Mansfield, Ohio. Inspired by classic soda fountain drinks, it combines creamy vanilla and bright orange for a taste like an old-fashioned creamsicle. I like orange cream sodas a lot. And that definitely smells like it. Such a pleasant smell. Orange and vanilla. That tastes like a creamsicle. Exactly that. Maybe not the name brand, but like the store brand, which is still totally awesome. Oh, that is so good. That was definitely a 9 out of 10.